In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Suno AI song tracks looks more professional. So, firstly, open up Suno AI and then log into your Suno AI account. So once I've logged in here, so go to the create option here. So when you go to the create option here now, where you go to provide the prompt for your song, to do to get a more professional output tracks, you should like include elements like the genre you need, the instrumentations, the lyrical themes, and even like desired emotions or like dynamics within the song. So if you put in more detailed explanation here, so it will actually generate a more professional output, a more like professional and in-depth output. So for example, let's say have a description here. So for example, okay, so if I let me just give a prompt. For example, I have this prompt here: create a melodic trap beat with a dark moody feel incorporating jazz piano samples and female vocals with vibrato. The song should have a medium tempo, a structure like verse, like a melodic trap beat. So give as much as information as possible and specific so that you'll get a more professional output. So once you do that, and then you're going to just simply click on the create, and then the Suno AI will create the professional track for you. And once created, you will find it here, and then you'll find the track here. So for example, once this is done, you will find the track here. So all you have to do is simply, so for example here they have got the tracks here. All you have to do is click on the three dots here, and then you can simply download this track for you. And this is how you make the tracks sound professional.